Alrighty, so I've been getting a lot of backlash about not wearing gloves in this video. So to answer all those comments at once on this video that y'all made go viral, I do tattoos and piercings, so I do know about proper sanitation and how to be safe and precautious in all scenarios. But with this guy, I wasn't too much worried. Not everybody in the world has a disease.
You feel better already, don't you?
And I also realized I have some ugly toes and ugly fingernail. I do construction last 15 years of my life. And I was just trying to help this guy out. So while everybody's focused on me not wearing gloves, I was there to fix the guy's floor. I ended up fixing his face. Hey, I made his life better. He woke up the next day without a big lump on the side of his face. That's pretty fucking amazing. Like, you gotta chill out, bro. Like, life is not all about being safe sometimes. It's about helping people out and doing good. And that's what I felt I was doing at the time. He was very appreciative. He was feeling like $1 million afterwards, because he's been walking around with that on the side of his face for 10 years. And I know it's not a spider bite, but he said that's what caused it. That's what caused the cyst. And inflammation on the skin will cause a cyst. So boy, that's what happened. All on my hand. Spider bite caused him to have a big lump grow on the side.
To show you how much I love you, motherfucker.
Filled with pus. It shot out like a string cheese, and it was very disgusting. It stunk very, very bad. It smelled like rotten eggs and mildew and whatever the hell else you can think of. It was very nasty, but I'm happy I did it for him. So get out my comments with the negativity. Cheer up, guys.